What's up, everybody? Back again with another video. I know I've been lagging hella like a lot. It's because I've been busy, actually, honestly. But yeah, I mean, the only thing you guys missed out on was the new wheels. They're the Contact Tandems, 18x9, I think, and then the tire lettering. I'm gonna replace the tire lettering because like I don't have my fenders rolled, which that's what the video is about today. But and then it just peeled it all off. Basically, it's just coming off, and I'm gonna DM them and see if they can help me out with some shit. We can work something out, or just get new ones, buy new ones. But yeah, right now I'm gonna give you guys a little cool start. So I just got it up in the fucking air. So Jackson right there, and then the jack on the other side. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for my dad to get back because he's got my impact wrench. My other one, the bigger one. And I don't need that because the fucking, that shit's, I don't know, it doesn't want to come up with that one. But yeah, this is what the Tyler says. Also, my fucking lip is all broken and shit. Let's see. I think the bolt fell off because I was entering this neighborhood and that shit has like 15 speed bumps, or like at least 10, and then it messed that shit up. Yeah, but yeah, I'll walk you guys a bit. I'll show you guys the freaking. Show you guys the. It's right there. But yeah. All right. I just got it all 4 tires off. Let's see. And now we have a little issue. I noticed this, yeah, but as you can tell, it's hitting right there. And also, this, like when I'm on the freeway, this is always flapping around. But this is like shot. Maybe what I'm gonna try to do, I don't know yet, is just like hit it all here where it's hitting, because you can tell with spots, especially here. I don't know, I'm not sure about if I'm gonna hit it here. Yeah, I'm gonna try to hit it a little bit. But yeah, but right now we got all the 4. I'm gonna put the attachment on and then, you know, get my heat gun and shit, and then see how this goes. I'll keep you guys updated though. So I just got it on right now. It's barely on it. The front, I think I'm gonna need a drop to do this shit, cause that shit is, the fender roll does not fit at all. It's too high up. It goes all the way to the top. But yeah, I'm gonna raise it up. Basically what that's gonna do is drop all this shit down. Like if you're gonna raise the car up, obviously. Just gonna drop it down a little bit, and that way I have like space so I can move it like side to side and shit. But once I'm done with that, I'm gonna raise it all the way up to like lower it basically. But yeah, let me see how this goes, and I'll give you guys like a little update in a bit here. I just got this one rolled. It came out pretty good. It came out pretty decent, but the thing was I didn't heat it up as well, you know. As if you don't heat it up well, it starts chipping and shit. But yeah, but other than that, it came out pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but yeah, this one's pretty good. It's a pretty big, you know, it rolls it, so it's a pretty big difference. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna do this side, and then I don't really have to lower this one. The one I have to lower the ones is the one from the front. Raise it up, I mean. But yeah, let me see what I can do with this one. All right, so I just got the car done. This is way more space now. This is even a gap. Like the fronts, I pulled them out a little bit. They pulled out a little bit. You can tell. I probably need like a 5 more spacer or something. But yeah, other than that, that's all I was weird, because it was, look, you see, all this. But now I have gap, way more gap now. I'm not gonna hit no more. Everywhere, all around. Yeah, but other than that, that's good. That's gonna run up the whole video. Thank you all for watching. You know, I got more things coming this summer. Well, not summer, but you know, these days. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and shit. It's right here. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. But yeah, thank you guys.